Khurumjari Impact TV na nauna khudol tamjaba Mami Mapao midyang tabiriba pumna makpu Strela Thaunawzamna Taramna Okchari. Welcome to Mami Mapao, the show that brings you the latest news and events from the world of entertainment. First of all, thank you so much to all the fans and followers of Mami Mapao. Mami Mapao gi ahanba episode yang bikiba singna pibirakpa comments, suggestions, appreciations and depreciations singidamak Mami Mapao gi team na pumna makpu thagat pa phongdokchari. So asi hena fazaba, hena mapung phaba ma o hena bagidamak miyam gi support yamna changi. So folks, please keep supporting Mami Mapao. So viewers, let's now see which stories are making true to the second episode of Mami Mapao. Saknairaba Manipuri filmmaker Haubam Paban Kumar bu Manipur government na ikai khumnaba utkibagi Mapao na ahanboy na thamjari. Ani subada numit manga ni chupna ukrula pangthokiba Siroi Lily Festival gi samlapa paudam. Impact TV na media partner oiduna 2nd June da release tawgadoriba film thadoklaroi gi making. Aduga upcoming films Loyang Amba Ahing Sina Loikraga and Nuregi Yaifa Thoni Thoramna Aroi Boina Thamchari. Renowned Manipuri filmmaker Haubam Paban Kumar, whose film Loktak Lairembi bagged the Best Environment Feature Film Award in the 64th National Film Awards, was felicitated by Manipur government at a function jointly organized by Manipur State Film Development Society and Film Forum Manipur. A report.
Manipur gi mami gi taibang da masak nairba kaya laihaw asidagi puthopa ngamkhre ngamlakli Manipur State Film Development Society and the Film Forum Manipur anina khutsamnaduna konu mamangda leba Manipur State Film Development Society gi multi-purpose hall da pangthokiba Manipur sima da machin tumkhatlak Indian Panorama amadi National Film Awards 2016 da award kaya phangba ngamkhraba Haubam Paban Kumar nipu taret suba International Film Festival of India gi non-feature film section 2016 da jury member oina saru yakiba Ronel Haubam na chingbabu Manipur laingak na kai khumna
Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles 2017 26D Arvindan Puruskusham for the Best Debut Director 2016 Silver Bodhisattva Award, Berlinale Forum Award, Special Jury Award, Puri International Film Festival.
Thauram aduda Manipuri cinema bu matam kuina mamai chubiduna laklaba Pabung Aribam Sham Sharmana hongdok lamba wapam.
Ngasi maruin handiki chahi asi Manipur the film Hokibagi Nipu Mangasu Jahini. Akoina Matamgi Manipur 72 da Puthokibadagi Yaujarakba Amoina Labak Paldagi Ngasi Pawa film gi Lamda Karimba contribution Tobungam Jaba o Amoina Say Nipu Mangasur Pasida Ontok na Nungai Kraba Mikup Ama Jahiyama Adumba momenta Mangasi Asi Boirani. Say Nipu Mangasida Ekoi hanagi lejarmi ba culture gi elements mayama si punchelaga ekoina film sida pikhabalam damase prithvi asida pukhatchebagi takchebagi utchebagi adumuthudang ma film sina phajana lorgi.
Thauram aduda Loktak Lairembi gi producer director Haubam Paban Kumar bu Humpuga Mari Suba National Film Awards 2016 the Best Environment Film Award yauna tongan ba national amadi international awards tara taret phangbang amlakpagi damag ikai khumnaba utki
feature film da dihan feature film ne aduga yam important hoiba first film I say the documentary mayam torga su khara amadi feature film tawbasina cinema mapum phare habi kenom le the first film sida I travel the films in the Sagi state appreciation pang Sidagi and Wanga Sulite and then Mathang feature film Karatogena Kalik and documentary they quit documentary is a subject to me important ways. Something if something happens in front of me to me Budilla Puya Ponte and the next film mama feature film mama dogi kanatau.
Goa the Pangthokiba Niputaret Suba International Film Festival of India gi non-feature film section 2016 the opening film Oikiba Ima Sabitrigi director Bobo Kuraijam amadi producer Gurumayum Ranita Loktak Lairembi gi co-producer ahum Thiam Romola Haubam Ibetombi amadi Warepam Jhanshi Rani Loinana film asigi casts Ningthogjam Sana Tomba amadi Sagol Sem Thambal Sangbusu ikai khumnaba utki
film sisu important medium ne na kan India government na emphasis period na state na तसेना कोई सु फिल्म तौरी फीचर फिल्म अमन नंबर होल फैमिली की सपोर्ट और नमी ने बस गवर्नमेंट की सपोर्ट लेरगदी आर्ट ऐसे पेट्रोन अदम दरकार ले अदुना गवर्नमेंट ना सपोर्ट तौद्रिगोदी सुजिक तौरी सिदी जस्ट इंडिविजुअल इफर्ट गातनी गवर्नमेंट ना तौद्रिगोदी फ्यूचर से दमना कनु ओइदेन खंजे
थौरम अदु लोइसलकपदा मणिपुर की मसक नायरब नायरबी कया अमा यावना लोकताक लाइरंबी की प्रीमियर शो अमसु मियेंग तामिनखी
A very proud moment for all the Manipuris. Chauthok chaningai ni. Film gi taibangda hena masak thokpa thaba kaya paikhat piduna Manipur bu malemda hena sakhang biba ma oirasanu haina Mami Mapao nasu wish pizari. Up next is the Soroi Lily Festival. Wow, it was such a splendid festival. I was a part of the festival too and I had an unforgettable experience. Natural beauties, vibrant cultural showcase, lovely people, food, music, fashion. Wow! You don't believe me? Watch this.
लमदमसिदा टूरिज्म बु हेना चावकल हननबगी पांदमदा स्टेट टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट ना सिंधुना हौकिबा मे 13 तगी कुन फावबा उखरुला शिरोई लिली फेस्टिवल पांगथोखरे
मालेम धुंगना पांजेली मिवो
उजा बिरेन बुदी थमसा माना शिरोई लिली फेस्टिवल स्टेट लेवल माना थाकत पीबसे अखोय याम नुंगाजरे आइना खोयदगी नुंगायबसिदी नसिगे फर्स्ट टाइम असिदा तंबाक्तगी मी लाखबा मिसिंजे अखोयगी तांगुलगी जिंग असिदा अखोयने खनबा गांदी कनासु लाखोयने खंगनमेबा अदु नोयने मी मयाम लाखरगा असिदा तंगाय 50% मति वयबा अदु आई नुंगाय
मेन वेन्यू ओइरबा तांकुल नागा लॉन्ग ग्राउंड शिरोक 2017 की वेन्यू बक्सी ग्राउंड खक्ता नतना शिरोई खुन जोरचेंग अमदी फांगनाइना चिंगमा मफम सिंगनसु मियामगी पोकनिंग चिंगसिनखी
मफम सियाम मैमना पामनबा मफम ओइरमे अदुना मथंग चाहिदसु सि एनुअल इवेंट ओइना सिनसिरा हाइना कोइ पनोदि लेरि
चिंगमी तमीगी ओइबा नाट की जगोई इशे साना खोटनबा येलहौ चिंजाक एडवेंचर रॉक म्यूजिक अमदी फैशन परेड ना फेस्टिवल असिगी मपुंग ओइबा सक्तम ओइखी Shiroi Festival ki sharuk amma oina pangthokiba Shirok 2017 da rock music, rock band competition amadi fashion parade na mapung oiba saktam oiki. Shirok band competition ki winner Imphal dagi The Wishes na taki.
Right, so we are here at the backstage of Shirok 2017 with the winner of Shirok 2017, The Wishes. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Impact TV.
Thank you so much, Impact TV.
Thank you so much.
All right, just share us your experience with the Shirok 2017.
We are having a really great time here in Ukhrul. Like, this is our first time performing here, and also we are taking part in this competition, and so we are so lucky that we also won the first prize, that is the winner, the best band, and we also got best rhythm guitarist and best drummer. So what else can we ask for? Like, this is the best night ever for us.
Thank you, Impact TV.
Thanks to Impact TV.
Ani suba manana Ukhrul dagi Retrosonic na taki amasung ahum suba manana Churchanpur dagi Purple Math na taki. Shirok 2017 ki Mega Night ta Manipur dagi haukiba maming leiraba designers Asa Kazingmai amadi Silex ki collection sing utki.
One of the designers oriba Manipur dagi haukiba do gam maming leiraba designer Asa Kazingmai gani. Asa Kazingmai, it's good to have you at Mami Mapao.
Yeah, I'm so grateful to all the organizers and Shirok Festival, all the organizers, because I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful to be here, and it's so excited to showcase in my hometown finally. So let's rock it.
All right. So what is a unique selling point? What is the peculiarity about your collections?
My USP is leather. I do very edgy, experimental, and I do very unusual stuff, like mostly leather stuff. That is my USP.
Okay, so Asa, you are one of the most renowned designers from Manipur. So what would be your advice to the budding designers from Manipur?
I would like to suggest to my budding designers, so have patience and be different and experiment something different.
All right, thank you very much and good luck to you, Asa Kazingmai. So that was Asa Kazingmai, one of the designers of Shirok Fashion Parade. Mami Mapao ko una jaga doriba si koi ki hairiba Shirok 2017 ki Fashion Parade ki show director, the one and only Heli Lai Thangbam gani.
Experience yamna nuksinaba pore seng haibda. It's not just it's not all about festival. Festivals it just a performance ulla kanda yumna han gibana taba. Sida laiba digi Ukhrul gi missing du jamtina nuksina to bire khoida. Agi plus moina tawrabni na khoi jamtina nuksiba du puninga du chak chaba do oiro amada ko pun lai minara unity pork bada yamtina chauna mateng pange.
Fashion Parade asida masak nairabi models Stibo, Tam Laishram, Papa Gachui, Vanya Chawana Chingba, models in Susaru Yaki.
Mami Mapao Gozi Unazari BSC 2016 ki Miss Manipur ki title Lautrabi Fafa Gachui gani. Hello Fafa Gachui, good to have you in Mami Mapao.
Hello, nice to meet you all too.
Now, first question is, what is your first impression? What is your impression about Shiroi Lily Festival 2017?
My impression would be like, if you ask me my impression, I'm very impressed. But this is such a great thing, such a great beginning, and I believe the government has done a very great job. Because look at this, it's very grand, so many crowd gathering up, 10,000 plus, you can see that, right? So I'm like, oh, we uncles are also getting better because of all your help, and I'm feeling blessed right now, yeah. Exactly, I'm feeling so excited, and I'm thankful also for their support and for your support. And as I go out there, I would like to give a message to the world, like be yourself. If you're not yourself, you will fall. But if you're yourself, like so many things will be packing up on you. Yeah, this girl is that guy is that. But if you're yourself, you will always stand up. That's what, yeah, that's it.
Okay, one last question. Your message to the people of Manipur about the Shiroi Lily Festival 2017.
Okay, about this festival, my message to the people is like, I would like to ask them to keep supporting such great events, such grand events, rather than, oh, he can't do that, oh no, the state cannot do that. We will do this together because of the cooperation we had with the government and the people, yeah.
So that was Fafa Gachui, winner of Miss Manipur 2016 with us, Mami Mapao.
Wasn't I right? Yes, I was. Huge thanks to Manipur state government for putting up such a marvelous festival, and also thanks to the people of Ukhrul for hosting us with your esteemed hospitalities. We'll now take a short break and be right back.
The journey of Manipuri films started with a bang in 1972, and there is no turning back. Impact TV is bringing a carnival of Manipur cinemas, features, non-features, short films and documentaries, including national and international award winners from the famed directors of the soil. Exclusive on Saturdays and Sundays on Impact Entertainment Channel. Thabum Sima, powered by Classic Group of Hotels. Coming soon.
Welcome back. Breaking matungda thamjariba si Impact TV na media partner oiraga 2nd June da release tawgadoriba film Thadoklaroi hairiba asigi making a muk mideng taminasi.
Thadoklaroi hairiba film asi sahi 15 changna namjarabani.
Nangi wahai matang kuirena airiba
masi ai gidi challenge samani sahi 15 changna namlakpa si awaba sa chuna tikhainai.
Three-star cinema ki banner makada zit mangang ki mayek ta thadoklaroi haina mingthon film mama Christina ki lamjing lamtak makada puthokadori. Ramcharan, Ratanlai, Asok, Monica, Lilabati, Happy Razina mati bed zoina maruoiba mamiroi sing oigador film masagi screenplay ki thawdang kisan lawgadori amati Gulsan na camera number ki thawdang lawbaga loinana Zim Kelina editor ki thaw panggadori.
Matam gi problem kaya na gap piraga namakpa short masa kaya wo mapung phaba wari paring ama oirakna bo honabada screenplay tawjariba aingonda yam awaba ma mayokki
ai buaro bino
mangal ai gi ninja basidi ka hen biganu ko nangna udaba amakak
Thadok laroi hadba mami kumai asada leibak lei kaubi khongang da pokpi lukhrabi macha amagi awaba kyana thallaba punsi gi wari liri amaromda broken family amadagi horakpa wana honajaduna private company amagi chairman gi famthon karaba Robin kauba pakhang amana leibak legi punsi bu awa famdagi kanga dawri karamna kanbagi haibadodi ngaiba tari zun gi tang ani da thadok laroi hadba film ase mapam manga da amukta da release tawgadawri
So, that was the making of the film Thadok Laroi. Miyamna yamna pamna ba mai pakpa film ama oisanu haina Mami Mapao na su wish tawjari. Alright, we now have the Yaifa Thoni Thoram of 3 upcoming films, Loyangamba and Ahing Sina Loy Kraga, under the banner of RK Films, and Nuray under the banner of GN Entertainment. Enjoy it!
Wangkai kaithel asang bi deleba hotpot ta hokiba me kunma thoida RK Films ki banner makhada number 10 suba film Loyangamba loinana 13 suba film Ahing Sina Loy Kraga animaki Yaifa Thoni Thoram pangthokre CH Rajana Puthokwa Made KP Das na lamjing lamtaka da film Loyangamba da Bonium Bala Jasmine Ratan Line chingba saknai da kayana marui besakam langa dawri
Loyangamba haide ba film asigi story writer amasung Bras Kumar film gi khoi proprietor masu oibir Bras fiction gani
purokriba film yam sigi manung da khoina putholiba 13 suba sisu 10 subagum na adum tongan ba production ena Loyangamba ne do tasengna wari sigi base haraga de khoi punsi se khuba khunam ne haba ge khoi ge imai pa madi yam ina kara khumba maki macha nupa ani yam ngauba haitare khoi mapa gi mama gi marana kaina khoi gi leiba kum je moina pungjau thilamaga laibak thiba thudu ma khakta gi mapa mama laikhido matamda mabani na thengna ba awaba warwa de moin torubo me am gi phol me am phangak pa le samas na moda nokna ba khono me am lak puji dagi akoina mabani gi ba gyan tar aga khoi gi punsi gi mi ma khak oi gi ne aduga imai pan lai ngai da khoi gi ba position ama semhobana khwaidagi phai haiba pose thambagi akoina yamtina khoi youth topi ba thim oigani haina ina pose pajari tasena isa baksu naha oina मैम दगी सिगी थीम से यंगबियु मिदेंग ताबिन से पोचे थमसगे
Hagasari Ras Mixon was so on के हाइबा फिल्म लोयांगम बहार फिल्म जिसु मियाम ना पाना बयाम सक्सेस होय फिल्म ओरस नो हाइबा अफेगी पाउदो मसी मम्मी मपाउ की टीम दगी प्रोड्यूसर ने मपु थमजरी
Ima ipa ahalaman layring matamda isagi phirep am semaudana ngauthok luraga ahalaman laykhidraba matamda awabu punsi ma bayok na hobugi wari amada yumpham oiraga film ase mix and ras na idani film ase ki makeup ki thaudang na banners dina lawgadawri Ahing Sina Loy Kraga hariba film ase Y Gopi na puthokpani amade Hemanta Kumanna lamjing lamtak laga Roshan Bala Susitra Wangkhem Ratan Lai na singba saknai da kayana marui ba sakam langa dawri film ase aseng bo wari mada yumpham oiba film nei film asegi makeup Jenny Kuraina taugane film animaki screenplay amade dialogue yukham prane na ibane amade film animaki isaina poirei thokchom na saiban bane loina na hero jitna hadiba loyang amade ahing sina loi kraga hadiba film animak namgani
Raskumar Film Production gi tarasu amasung taramatoi suba film ahing sina loi kraga amadi loyang amba hariba film anisigi yaifa thoni thoram ngasi unsi huidumak khoi wangkai kaitana sangbi leiba hot pot pangthokli ahing sin loi khraga hairiba film asigi producer Y Gopi gani
ahing sin loi khraga ba cinema si true khoigi ichanupi amkhak hairok sige ichanupi amkhakta base role ijabani true story ni masigi cinema sina sumsoi soidana Manipur ma haw ampi gani khanjai maramde Manipur da hujiki angang nupi macha si yamna inkhalakpa nauri bangang nupi macha sina harauba nungaiba kumai karino khangdingai da kumai nena ahamba lakchaba inkhalakpai chaina surpoi kumai yawa thogdomuda tamthirba thogdomda leigitaba adugumba ichanupi gi warini leigidri ichanupi sigi maramna Manipur da ngasi BDF haibsi Manipur da saphong lakhibni maramaduna ngasi gi film asina sungsoi soidan prajada ma hawam pigine thaje
yam thagat seri sungsoi sonam gi hari ba film ahing sin loi khraga hai film si sungsoi sonam gi me amna pamnaraga yamna success of film oigani haibadu ta sa thamjari
entertainment ki banner makhada heroic nauribum ki nurai harib film asigi yaifa thoni thauram chaijol kangsang wangkhaida hauchiba megi tang kunmari da pangthokre
ai nozik leijari basi kogi GN entertainment production gi makhada number haugadori badugumba Rakesh Moirang theme ki editor amadi production gi makhada kogi namgadaba nurai hariba film asigi yaifa thoni thauram pangthokpham adudani aduga aina hazik unazari basi hariba film asigi editor amadi director hamla khangjani Rakesh hariba film si karma makhal gi film no aduga top mahaw ma meyam da bigani haina khaliba unique selling points ne kari namtung thambi
film se magi kano se kogi wari se koina sumna romantic family romantic film ne adoga su hana chanariba family romantic film sigi trends dagi di yamthi tongan bam ko oi family romantic ojaraga ju kogi tongan ba katang di khara change tawai adu budi hayeng adum mayamna adum yenga khangminarase
sumaina anoba production mapun bada ingon yamna haidi nungai bam di poi undriban ai su kamai taw doino karamba fibam da namudori film na haibdu di khangsadri adubu film sen nama matunga kani haina khale ado yam nuaina success oina film se pull up cooperation pinaraga film se nam se habo hai sajani
wari sigi summary gumba ma habi thabyak pura isada dum tu chungno phawe hadi isada dum feel tawai buga ado dara kesna thawai chang yaga khoi takpirak pa de khoi thawai yauna hona jaraga si film je mai pak pang oina thongni
Gopi na puthok tu na Rakesh Moirang them lamjing lamta ka tuba Mami kumaya sida kaiku soma bizu amadi araba na chingba saknai da kaya na Mami roi sing oiga dawdi film asigi saisak loi Arvind na madi Pusparani anina oiga dawdi
hana ina igidri bako adugumba top pa yamna atopa film singa suman manadaba dungba storyline amadi oi
changi laidi hai film asida Pusparani ga sakoi shema maina taw kre adugu matungda sigi Rage nang ai yamba Rakesh ka punmina ba second oidone adu isai ju ai vesta hona gaina de lepi
nurai haiba film sida isama nurai haiba character se aina portray tawgadabani ada film asigi director Rakesh mai creative ano no puthoga mayam da hen entertain oiba hen message pi gadaba film mo orix nuana khurumjari
That's it. Yes. Atu mani Mami Mapao ki team dagi koina thamjani ngi so hari ba film nurai hari ba si yamna successful ba mi yamna yam pamna ba and especially Somal Aishram gi role si mi yamna he na yamna pamna ba adu gumba role ama oirakani hai ba gi thaje ba si thamjaba loina. Thank you to you all.
Dear viewers, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Mathang episode ta anoba entertainment gi Mapao singa muk puduna lakchege. But dear friends, do send us your valuable feedback at www.facebook.com/Mami Mapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao. Goodbye.